So, Tyler,
Stay quiet.
this is really cool. We're here with Joan, who emailed us last night, and told us about this. And you're going to be able to describe this much better than I could. So, Joan, what are you doing? Tell us how this all happened. Go ahead.
Okay. Well, I'm now with an organization that is maybe about 72 hours old called Masks for the Lehigh Valley. And what we are doing is we are gathering our resources to make masks for the medical personnel at the hospitals because they desperately need it. And this all began through an idea of my friend Ruth Dennison, who is really responsible for coming up with the whole idea. And, you know, at the beginning of this whole thing, we were just sitting around all watching movies and stuff like that. And one morning I got up and Ruth had been on Facebook all night long and sending out these messages saying, we need masks, somebody needs to do this, somebody needs to do that. And it was starting to blow up because people were responding to her. So I thought, somebody really needs to get out there and kind of organize this. So I offered to do so. And here we are. We have a Facebook group, Masks for the Lehigh Valley. We have lots of people volunteering. We're working with the Fab Lab at Northampton Community College.
Awesome.
And they've got a design. If it's not up right now, they've got instructions and a pattern. If it's not up on Facebook right now, it's going to be up there at some point today.
And
That's
when you
awesome,
say that,
Joan. So this is directly impacting my family in a positive way. So I appreciate it
Thank
1,000 times.
Thank you. So yeah, we have our Facebook page. When you go to the Facebook page, there's a link for a survey, and the survey is collecting information on what people can do. So if you want to help us out, not only join the Masks for the Lehigh Valley Facebook page, but also fill out our survey, because that's how we know how to get in touch with you. So we've had a lot of people on Facebook commenting and saying, I want to help, I want to help, I want to help. But the best way to do that is not only join the group, but fill out our survey, and we will be in touch.
All right. And so are you looking for people to make masks as well? Is part of this, of course, and then you're going to have instructions on, once they make them, what they can do with them.
Yes, absolutely. We, in fact, we are working right now. We are looking for a person to handle logistics for us, because we're going to be setting up pickup points and drop-off points. People can pick up materials if they need them, especially elastic. A lot of people have fabric, but they don't have elastic or stuff to tie the masks on with.
Okay.
So we are, in fact, Uline is selling us some real cheap, and we've got people who are donating as well. And then we need to have drop-off points for the finished product as well. And so a logistics person to help us coordinate all of that, and to work with runners who would be out there picking all this stuff up. Most of our sewers are going to be homebound, obviously. And we would be coming and picking up off of their porches or whatever when they let us know that they have product available. Ruth Dennison is also working in the community to find safe space where small groups of people can work together. We have the sewing machines from the Northampton Community College Fab Lab, but they won't let us work in the Fab Lab down at the Fowler Center in Southside Bethlehem. So we're looking for space. We found a couple of different locations in the Lehigh Valley. We're going to be checking those out today. And when we get those all set up, that information will be distributed on the website as well.
If there's somebody out there without a sewing machine that's interested, how do they?
Oh, I'm so glad you asked me that question. That reminded me. I have to go pick up a sewing machine when we're done here. We're going to have loaners. So
cool.
If somebody wants to work in their home with a loaner sewing machine, we got you covered. If you want to work with a small group in one of our satellite locations, we got you covered.
Perfect. That's great.
So So there we are.
I was muted. Joan, what do you do in regular life? This is awesome that you just. I don't know you. I've never. Yeah, like this is so awesome. Yeah, because you're mobilizing, and it's awesome to see that. Yeah, I don't know. You're fascinating. I've just met you today, right now, and I want to know all about you. So we'll have to have another interview.
Well, yeah, we will,
Okay.
definitely. I've lived in the Lehigh Valley for about 25 years. I worked for the Martin Guitar Company for 19 years. 15 of those years, I was the training manager, and I retired in 2017. I'm a musician. I'm a photographer. I'm a writer. You know, I'm a constant learner, and I don't
a
usually
humanitarian
put things
now
like this together.
too.
I'm sorry.
I said you're a humanitarian now too. This is really cool.
Oh gosh.
And I like that. I like that.
That's a big thing.
The great thing is, you know, working with a problem like, hey, we're all stuck at home. I love how people are saying, hey, you're stuck at home. All right, here's a way that you can help, and it's great that you're doing this. And we don't want to keep you too long because we know that you're delivering right now.
I'm just sitting here waiting for my groceries right now.
Oh, okay.
So really, I have plenty of time to sit and talk to you guys.
Okay. But you would say to encourage anybody, either, you know, whatever their interest level, or if they can sew or not, or if they don't have a sewing machine or not, just go to the Facebook group and at least kind of get the information.
We've got jobs for everybody. If you can't sew, we're going to need runners. We're going to need monetary donations. We're working on setting up a GoFundMe page. We are going to need people to just get the word out, you know, and to encourage us, because we know this is going to be a long haul. And right now we have a lot of enthusiasm, but, you know, I was looking at some charts last night that showed me how long this whole thing might go on. And so we're going to need people to continue beating the drum and keeping us working hard and so on and so forth. So whoever you are, we will find something for you to do if you want to do it for us.
All right,
awesome.
And we'll get that message out. And listen, let's try to maybe plan to talk in a couple of days, and we'll see how everything's going.
Hey, that's a great idea. Let's do that.
All right.
Let's do that.
Joan, you are awesome.
Thank you.
Bravo.
Thank you.
Yay.
Can I sing my favorite hand washing song?
Go.
Yeah.
Please.
All right, here we go. What is this thing called love? This funny thing called love. Just who can solve its mystery? Why does it make a fool of me? I saw you there one wonderful day. You took my heart and threw it away. So I asked the Lord in heaven above, what is this thing called love?
All right.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
I love you guys. I so wanted to talk to see you guys. I'm so sorry I can't come up to the attic because that's where I really wanted to be.
You don't want to be up here. I've been living up here. I got to disinfect
it.
it.
Does it smell? Oh.
No, it's all right. We'll talk to you soon.
All right.
All righty. Thank you, guys.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.